everyone. Today we are going to see 10th standard State Board Syllabus Relations and Functions exercise 1.4 question 11 and 12. This is video number 13. Here we are going to see the 11th question. Here distance S is given as a function of t. T is t seconds time. Okay. So S of t is equal to half gt squared plus at plus b. Here a and b are consonants. We have to check whether this function S of t is a one-to-one function. Now let's consider the time as t seconds as 1, 2, 3 up to n seconds. Okay. We are taking the time as 1, 2, 3, 4 till n seconds. Now we are going to substitute the time values in S of t. Now I am going to take time as t equal to 1 second. So S of 1 is equal to half g into, instead of t squared, 1 squared plus a into 1 plus b. Okay, that is equal to half g plus a plus b. Clear? Now let's say time is equal to 2 seconds. Therefore we are going to find the distance S of 2 is equal to half g into, instead of t squared, 2 squared plus a into 2 plus b. Clear? So we get 4g by 2 plus 2 plus 2a plus b. Okay. Here 4 and 2 get cancelled. So we get 2g plus 2a plus b. Okay. So now let's take the time is equal to 3 seconds. Okay. The distance travelled in 3 seconds is equal to S of 3, that is equal to half g into 3 squared plus a into 3 plus b. That is equal to 3 squared is 9. So 9g by 2 plus 3a plus b. Okay. Now it goes on like this. Clear? For each second you can find that the distance is different. Isn't it? For 1 second the distance S of 1 is different from S of 2. S of 2 is different from S of 3. Isn't it? For each value of t, the distance travelled is different. Correct? Can you understand what I am saying? See, for 1 second, when the time is 1 second, the S of 1 is different from S of 2. When time is 3 seconds, the S of 3 is different from S of 2 and S of 1. Clear? So, for each value of t, S of t is different. What does it mean? Let's say t is a domain and S of t is a codomain. So for every value of t we have, for every value of domain we have one image in the codomain. Right? For every value of t in the domain we have image, that is S of t, one image S of t in the codomain. What does it mean? One time, one image. Can you understand? Yes. So since each value of t has one image in the codomain, the S of t is equal to half gt squared plus at plus b is a one-to-one function. Can you able to follow me? Okay. Now let's go to the 12th question. Here the function t of c is equal to f. F is a Fahrenheit, c is a Celsius. So Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. Now we have to find what is t of 0. What do you mean by t of 0? Here c is equal to 0. Right? When t of 0 means c is equal to 0. So t of 0 is equal to f, that is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. So in the place of c we are going to substitute 0. So 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32. So 9 by 5 into 0 is 0. So plus 32 is the only value. So t of 0 is 32. Clear? Can you able to understand? Okay. Let's see the next question. T of 28. T of c is equal to f. F is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. Are you clear? Now t of 28. Then what we should do? In the place of c, we have to substitute 28, isn't it? So 9 by 5 into 28 plus 32. What is 9 into 28? What is that? 252. Okay? 9 into 28 is 252. Okay? So 252 by 5 plus 32. Now I am dividing 252 by 5. 5 5s are 25. 0. I am bringing down 2. So 2 is not divisible by 5. So I am putting a 0 and a point and adding a 0 to 2. 4 5s are 20. So the remainder is 0. So 252 divided by 5 is 50.4 plus 32 is equal to 82.4. Clear? So what is T of 28? T of 28 is 82.4. Clear? In the place of C, we are substituting 28. Clear? Now, let's go to the next problem. Okay? Here, T of minus 10. Now, write what is given in the question. T of C is equal to F. That is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Isn't it? Now, what is T of C here? T of minus 10. Right? So, in the place of C, I am going to write minus 10. So, 9 by 5 into minus 10 plus 32. Isn't it? So, 5 and 10 is get divided and minus 2. So, 9 into minus 2 is minus 18 plus 32. Okay? So, minus 18 plus 32. What we get? 14. So, T of minus 10 is 14. Clear? Are you following me? Okay. Now we have to find the value of C and T of C is given. Okay? It is just a different question. Here we know what is T of C is equal to F. That is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Isn't it? Now we know the value of T of C. That is 212. So in the place of T of C, substitute 212. 9 by 5C plus 32 is equal to 212. Now 9 by 5C is equal to, we are taking 32 in the next side and becomes negative number. So 212 minus 32, that is equal to 180. Clear? So 9 by 5C becomes 180. Is it correct? I am just taking 32 into the next side and subtracting 212 minus 32 is equal to 180. So 9 by 5C is equal to 180. I am taking 5 to the next side and becoming numerator. So 9C is equal to 180 into 5, that is 900. So 9C is equal to 900. C is equal to 900 by 9. Okay, 9 when crossing the side it goes to denominator. So C is equal to 100. So when C is equal to 100, T of C will be 212. Or when T of C is equal to 212, C will be 100. Clear? We are just substituting the value of T of C in the equation. Clear? Okay. Now, we have to find the temperature when the Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit. What do you mean by that? F is equal to C. Clear? Now, T of C is equal to F, that is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Here, what do you know? C is equal to F, isn't it? So, in the place of F, I am replacing it as C. So, C is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Correct? Now, I am taking the 32 to the next side. So, C minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C. Okay? So, I am taking the 5 to the next side. So, it goes to numerator. So, 5 into C minus 32 is equal to 9C. I am multiplying 5 with C and 5 with 32. Okay? 5 into C is 5C minus 5 into 32 is equal to 160. That is equal to 9C. Now I am taking the 5C to the next side. So it becomes a negative number. So minus 160 is equal to 9C minus 5C. So what do you get? Minus 160 is equal to 4C, isn't it? So what is C? C is nothing but minus 160 divided by 4, because 4 when crosses the next side it goes to denominator. So C is equal to minus 160 by 4. On dividing by 4 we get C is equal to minus 40. Clear? When we take Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit, we get the temperature is equal to minus 40. Okay? In the equation F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. I am substituting C in the place of F. Okay? And I am doing the calculation and I get C is equal to minus 40. Clear? Okay. So with this, exercise 1.4, question number 11 and 12 is over. Okay? We can see the remaining sums in the next video. I have given the link of the playlist in the description box. Please make use of it. Okay? Meet you all in the next video. Till then, signing off, Parvina Ramesh. Bye.
Subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like. If you have any doubts, comment down. Signing off, yeah,